Trisha Hershberger is here to help last-minute shoppers find gifts that truly impress. From innovative tech to creative hands-on picks, she's showcasing standout ideas that are still easy to get in time for the holidays. No matter who you're shopping for, Trisha's curated selection makes it simple to give something memorable, no matter the deadline. Hi, Trisha.
Hey there! Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a next-level foldable smartphone powered by Galaxy AI, giving users the power of a traditional smartphone and an immersive tablet-like workspace in one device. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 packs a larger and brighter 8-inch screen and ultra-smooth performance for everything you need, from multitasking to content creation, even immersive mobile gaming when you want a bigger, more powerful play experience. This year, you can create personalized decor and heartfelt gifts that add warmth and creativity to your home with Cricut Joy Extra. This powerful machine makes it easy to craft a custom snowman ornament or personalized mementos with professional quality results. Design Space makes crafting simple. You can easily design, customize, and cut everything from personalized labels to intricate home decor projects. Access thousands of images, fonts, and ready-to-make projects to make your vision come to life step by step. This is a great gift idea for kids. The Creativity for Kids Grow and Glow Terrarium Kit is a hands-on STEAM activity that lets them explore nature, science, and creativity all in one kit. They can craft, plant, water, and watch their own ecosystem grow, plus everything you need is included. Once the terrarium is complete, glow-in-the-dark stickers add a magical nighttime element. Become a trick shot master. The Mag-Shudo Stunt Park from Fat Brain Toys combines strong magnetic connections, snap-together action, and tons of customization for open-ended, high-energy play. This set of ramps, stunts, and targets is the ultimate trick shot playground. It's a great option for families looking for screen-free fun. For more information and gift ideas on anything I've discussed today, head to dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Trisha.